Dismayado ang asawa ni John Estrada at dating beauty queen na si Priscilla Meriles sa nangyari sa kanya habang siya ay nasa isang kilalang grocery store sa BGC. Kwento ni Priscilla, nakaramdam umano siya ng tila may gumigit-git sa kanya sa likuran bahagi nito. Ngunit binaliwala niya ito dahil daw kasi hindi niya naisip na sa isang kilalang grocery store at sa BGC pa umano mangyayari sa kanya ang pandurukot. Ayon kay Priscilla, 3 o 4 na kababaihan ang nagtulong-tulong upang maisakatuparan ang pandurukot sa kanyang cellphone na nakita sa kanyang live dahil habang siya ay dinudukutan ng grupo. Naka-live ito kaya naman kitang-kita sa likuran niya kung ano mga ginagawa ng mga kababaihan. Panatag din sana si Priscilla na agad na mahuhuli ang mga mandurukot dahil may CCTV ang naturang grocery. Ngunit sa kasamaang palad ay ayaw umanong i-release ng management ang kopya ng CCTV. Kinakailangan pa umanong kumuha ni Priscilla ng court order upang makahingi ng kopya dahil ito daw ang patakaran ng management. Dahil dito, labis pang ikinadismaya ito ni Priscilla dahil tila mas pinapaboran pa umano ng management ng grocery store ang mga nandukot sa kanyang bag.
Ako naman, victim ako ng scam dito sa BGC. While I was talking to you guys live dyan sa grocery, guess what? May snatchers na naman sa loob ng grocery. Tapos, one of them, or a group of them, were able to get my other phone from inside my bag. Nabuksan nila yung bag ko while I was waiting online. And kinuha nila yung phone. So, andito ako naman sa police station ng Taguig. Okay. Tapos, of course, yung pinasis sa amin dito si Arnel. Salamat, Arnel. Na kanina lang pinagalitan ko si Arnel eh. Pero kailangan pala na to make a report muna sa police station para pa-check ng police mismo. Nasaan si Kuya? Pa-check ng police dyan sa labas. Sila mismo ma-verify yung CCTV. While we were doing the vlog, makikita naman yung mga suspects sa vlog ko eh. So, merong dalawang very suspicious. Very suspicious na ng suspects sa vlog. Na lumapit sa tabi ko while another old woman was moving back and forth. Kaya during the vlog, I'm doing like that eh. And kukuha nila yung cellphone ng baby ko. So malungkot siya. I will find you. Yes. Pero malas nila kasi kukuha ko yung mga mukha nila sa vlog ko eh. Sa live ko. Tsaka, of course, may CCTV sa marketplace na supermarket sa Uptown. So, nababalikan kami dyan kasi ma-review yung police, yung CCTV. Okay? Yung mga pickpockets na take over BGC. Kaya later, baby, we're gonna get ice cream. So, kailangan natin ginagawa ng paraan para i-identify natin sila lahat. Kasi meron talaga modus operandi dito na yun sa BGC. Na mga pickpockets, mga scammers, mga kidnappers. So, we need to make everybody aware. And I will be making, if I have their identification, I will be making them very famous. Yung sasabihin ko sa kanila. So, sana lang, pabalik nila yung cellphone na anak ko. Kasi kung hindi, naging sila talaga, and kukulong sila. They're gonna go to prison. Kasi that's robbery. Diba? So, andito po ako kanina. Dito lang po. Ganito, katulad niya. Dito po ako. Tapos meron dito ko fila-fila dito. So, yung incident sa akin happened dito sa marketplace in Uptown Mall, BGC. Nandito ko naghintay. Ang dami mag-shopping dito. Ang problema, hindi namin alam kung sinong client, sinong mga scammer. Sinong mga, nakaw. Kasi this is what happened now. Marketplace told me that I need to go to the police station to make a report. Okay, I went to the police station. Actually, they have an employee that accompanied there, and also the security of the mall accompanied to the police station. So I made a report. Now, after the report, the police station, they said that they cannot show me the CCTV because the police station, the police is the only one that can see the CCTV to check first, to check talaga kung may nangyari. Okay, pupunta yung police station dito, yung police, yung mga officers, and they check kasama ng mga staff dito sa marketplace and security. And then they confirm may nangyari. Makikita nila na may modus operandi talaga na nangyari. And sila yung ginagawa ginagawa nila ng gulo, para i-reach yung bag ko. Okay, makikita yung mukha nila. 4 yata sila o 3. And, so, okay, it's confirmed. May nangyari. Hindi ako loka, hindi ako crazy. Okay? So, confirmed. Now, this is the problem. The police asked for Marketplace to issue a statement, like a report, because may nangyari sa establishment nila. They refused. They told the police that they're not going to issue anything. That I need to come back with a court order for them to issue something. The police asked them for the CCTV so they can act on it. They could go after the people that robbed me. Marketplace legal team make me wait 3 hours to tell me right now that they're not going to release the CCTV to the police because I need to go to the court and ask for, approval or whatever from the court for them to release the CCTV. Now, yung tanong ko sa kanila is, bakit? Kasi I'm the aggravated part here. I was robbed sa loob ng store nila. Makikita nyo sa video ko, may guard na dumadaan sa likod ko din while these people were robbing me. Okay? And they don't want to release, they don't want to issue a statement, official statement or anything. They wanted me to get a court order for them to release that information. Okay? The problem is the police is with their hands tied. They cannot do anything until they have access to that CCTV. For me to get a court order, it needs to be tomorrow. Right? Nasaan pumunta yung mga tao yan? Ano nangyari dyan? So in short, feeling ko as a customer of Marketplace, this is not a safe establishment for anybody to come. Because in a society nila, yung mga nagnanakaw. Kasi I feel right now that they're not protecting me, they're not helping me, they're scared of something that I don't know. They cannot claim is data privacy, okay? Because once you go to a establishment like that, then you are aware, and everybody's aware that there is CCTV, and some things confirmed that happen. They are no longer liable with data privacy. So you cannot, just sue the establishment for that. Okay, that's a common sense thing. So they refuse to help me. They refuse to release the CCTV to the police so they can act on it. I need to go to court. I need to ask for a court, order for them to release that. And in short, pinaprotect nila yung nagnanakaw. And they are aggravating me. So I was aggravated early because I was robbed inside their establishment with security around. Okay? Now I'm more aggravated because they're refusing to help me to release something that they confirm it happened in the establishment. Okay? So, iba talaga yung Marketplace. Don't come here. I was talking to the police. They said, Ma'am, we never experienced that. That's the first time you experienced that the establishment is refusing to release, is refusing to help the victim. They're helping they didn't say that, but I'm saying that. Feeling ko, they're helping the robbers. They're helping yung nagnanakaw. They're not helping the victim. So, okay sa kanila. So, siguro that's why lahat ng nanakaw, wag pumunta na sa grocery nila, matatarget yung mga clients nila dito. So, I'm right now at Uptown Mall in BGC, which is a prime area here in BGC. I was inside the mall, I was inside the grocery, nakapila ko pabayaran ng grocery. That is, 2 securities roving. One even passed by, you can see my video, when they are robbing me. Okay? So, in short, wala silang pake. And they don't want to release anything because they're scared to be liable about something that I do not understand. I talked to my lawyer, she said, Bree, you try to get from them in a nice way because they're supposed to release. I don't understand why their legal team is refusing to help you, is refusing to protect you as their customer, and is protecting, it's helping mga nagnanakaw. I don't understand that. But in worst case scenario, kung wala talaga kukuha ka today, tomorrow madedemanda kami sila. Magko-court kami, madedemanda din sila. Because I feel aggravated 2 times. I understand yung mga nagnanakaw, baka profession nila talaga yan. But I do not understand a business like the Marketplace to protect them and to aggravate even more their client. I've been shopping in this grocery oh my gosh, since I know myself, since this grocery was, belonged to the Ayala family, okay? The Ayala not, sorry. Sino mabilong? Not Ayala. Sino yung mga may-ari. Basta it was not Robinsons before. Diba? So, na time na Rustans pa, I've been shopping with them. And now, these have happened. It's under Robinsons, and I'm so disgusted. But what just happened? And yung staff na binabalita sa akin dito, si Arnel, sorry na sorry. Alam ko ginagawa niya yung trabaho niya. That's not his fault. He's the legal team of Robinsons. He's the legal team of the marketplace that are acting against me, his client, that was aggravated, that was robbed inside their plain grocery, and in favor to mga nagnanakaw. So, yun. So, 8:39 ako, andyan sila yung mga pulis. Ginagawa talaga ng trabaho nila eh. Ginagawa talaga ng trabaho nila, yung mga pulis. Si Kuya dito, napagod na, nagutom na si Kuya. Eh, kumusta boss? Si Mark, diba? Tapos, andyan naman si Ma'am, na ginagawa talaga ng trabaho niya. Si Ma'am, pakita natin si Ma'am. Of course, si Arnel, ginagawa niya yung trabaho niya, walang siya choice. Kasi mga boss niya, diba, na decision yan. So, lahat na police dito sa BGC, wala eh. Ginagawa talaga nila yung trabaho nila. So, kudos to them. Pero they never experienced this before. This is a first for them and for me. And ako naman, I'm shocked. Because that's why now the crime in the Philippines, in Metro Manila is so bad. Because these people know they can get away with it. Now, hindi ko alam kung part sila ng na modus yan. Eh, phone naman yan eh. It's not about the phone. Kaya ko bumili ng bago phone. The problem is, I'm just so shocked. I've never been robbed in my life. This is a first. I guess I needed to break that seal, diba? First time na robber ako. In a place that I felt safe. Nasa loob. Kasi usually, Brazilian ako eh. Sanay ako sa mga pickpocket, yung mga ganun. Pero, I always come to this place. I even vlog live from here because I feel safe. And that's the problem. When you feel safe, that's when bad things happen. So, of course, I've learned my lesson for this. But I've also learned that this kind of establishment is not trustworthy. And they're not citing their clients. And hindi ko talaga alam what they're trying to protect. Because it's definitely not me. And it's definitely not even their best interest. Because the people that come to this place and to this kind of place, supermarket dito, sa BGC area, which they have a lot, and they have also in Makati, are the people that go in this kind of supermarket because they think they're safe inside. They're not safe. Guys, you're not safe. May safe ako sa kabila. Never ko na-experience yung mga ganito sa Save More. Never ko na-experience yung mga ganito sa sa other branches of other kinds of supermarket. But now that's the first time that I experienced dito. And I'm so disgusted by the fact that they are giving me a hard time. They are not cooperating. Okay? They're refusing to help the police. And they're refusing to help me. Even after confirming na may nangyari. Confirmed that I was robbed inside their establishment. Because both yung mga security nila, yung mga staff nila, tsaka yung mga police confirmed they saw on the CCTV, may nangyari. So, nasa yung rights ko? Bakit hindi nila naprotektahin yung rights ko? Bakit hindi nila na-sign yung sign? Bakit hindi nila sa side ko, diba? So, yung mga mayari ng mga marketplace, talaga, bobo talaga yan. Wala talaga. So in short, they don't care about their clients. Bakit masyashop kayo dito? Honestly, ang mahal na magagamit dito, akala ko safe ako dito. Hindi. Tapos may nangyari ito, they wash their hands. Okay? They don't wanna help me. So gano'n, yung mga nanlakaw, layo na sila eh. But it's okay. I'm gonna do my part. Because I'm gonna not let that go. It's not because of the phone. It's because it just happened to me. And I have a voice. And maybe that's why it happened to me. Hindi ako mapupur dahil sa phone niya. Kaya ko bumili ng bago phone. That's not the point. Actually, for me, the phone is lost na eh. But I just cannot let that pass. Because this is wrong. Okay, guys? I cannot let that pass. This is wrong. And I'm gonna be very maingay. Because I refuse to let that pass. Because I cannot, connive with what they're doing wrong. Because if I let it be, it's like I'm agreeing with them. So, mali din ako. Hindi ako mali. Actually, I'm very cool about the whole situation. You know, I'm just tired. My daughter is tired. You know? But the thing is, kung makikita ng police na may nangyari sa CCTV, I was robbed inside the establishment, bakit ayaw nila ma-release yung CCTV? Bakit pinahirapan nila ako? Bakit ayaw nila ma-release ng report sa police? So I went to the police, I make a report, the police is here, now the police needs yung report nila, ayaw nila eh. No, court order. After 3 hours, come back forth with their legal team. Okay? So yun guys, so I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna eat, okay? Anyway, the phone is still connected to my iCloud. Eventually, I'm gonna find the phone. Because nowadays, with the technology, you cannot just erase the phone like that. Okay, now, knock-off siya eh. But eventually, I'll find. Kahit nasaan yung phone, I'll be able to find. Okay? So, walang problema yung phone. Yung problema, it's what's just happening right now that I'm so disappointed, I'm so disgusted with Marketplace, with Robinson's Group, about what's happening in their legal team. No, very apologetic ko si Arnel, pero wala naman siya powers. Kahit na-agree siya sa akin, wala siya gagawa. You know, he's just an employee. He just giving the, yung balita kung ano decision nila. And yung decision nila is, magsasite sila sa mga nagnanakaw. So let's invite lahat, mga lahat na nanakaw ng Facebook Live dyan, punta kayo dito sa Marketplace kasi ang galing nyo dito, protektado kayo dito. Yung mga client, wag kayo pumunta. Wag kayo masyashop dito kasi mananakaw kayo lahat. Yung sasabihin ko sa'yo, BGC, Makati, lahat ng mga marketplace, wag kayo pumunta because magnanakaw kayo, magbibitiman kayo ng mga supermarket ito. Kasi yung nangyari, conniving sila with mga nananakaw kasi ayaw nila mag-release kasi legal whatever. Legal what? What about my rights? I'm the aggravated part here. Diba? So, bakit ginagawa nila ganun? So, yun. So, babalita ko kayo kasi magkakain kami, kasi gutom kami. Ako nanak ko. And then, of course, she's very sad kasi wala yung phone niya. And she just wanna go home. But yun. So, I'm just gonna go home. I already talked to my lawyer. Okay? So, of course, si Atty. Rona, tomorrow, bukas po, meron pa yung trabaho. Dagdaga ko mga stress sa'yo, ha? So, yun, kukor tayo, tsaka nagdedemanda kayo ng marketplace. Kasi I feel very aggravated. You know, even if my phones comes back to me, it you're not gonna pay for the stress that they're just putting me right now and for how I feel. I have rights, and I feel that my rights are not being respected. I'm a victim here.